try and clear up some of this mess. Start with the big one again.
Big boy.
Another one right off the side of the box.
Sweet. Which one?
Steel Predator. Looks pretty cool.
Oh yeah. That has a lot of detail for just like that.
Yeah.
Another longbow, eh?
No. Hyena people. They're vicious.
Oh yeah. It'd be cool if they had the string attached to it too.
Blue Abeshai.
Ooh, he's a dragonborn.
Abeshai. No.
No?
Abeshai is a different style of dragon folk.
That's cool.
Turtle Druid. So what was my other turtle? Just a normal turtle.
Normal turtle. And then turtle druid. That's the one on the side of the box.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is, it is.
Turtle druid. That's cool. We got one off the box again. Whoa, he looks angry. I don't believe I see him on the side of the box.
Ogre Bolt Launcher. That looks pretty vicious.
Oh yeah, he has spikes around his neck and everything. I don't want to face him in dungeon at all.
Another Measle. So this one looks different from my last one.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, there's your first one, and there's their second one.
Yeah, one looks like he's in combat and one looks like he's in defense.
Oh, 13 of 17 there.
Not bad. Pretty cool. Nice collection going from these first couple boxes. Really bring up our collection in quite a bit.
Another cord. Oh, this one looks the exact same. Yep, they're both 11s.
Both 11s. Close to the same batch too.
Iron Cobra.
Iron Cobra, eh?
That looks mean.
Oh wow, eh? Yeah, no, I don't want to mess with him. Looks like that snake in the closet, but it was a broom. That broom almost whooped me, but... What, did I take 6 health off of that first hit? Almost got knocked.
Here's a shot for you.
Didn't know brooms are so feisty.
Bargast, paste. Oh, you be the judge of that.
Oh wow, the teeth on that thing.
Shadow Dancer.
Ooh. Almost looks like he's a wizard.
Ah, Winter Eldrin.
Ooh. Another longbow up in here, guys. Super cool.
We got 3 out of the 4.
I believe we got one more box, ladies and gentlemen.
So got one more to come out of here. A Chitin. Baby Goro.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
It looks like one of those guys from, dang it, I can't remember the movie right now. Hobbit.
Oh.
Yeah, just with more arms. Those goblin creatures.
Yeah.
And that guy's super duper tiny.
Last
guys.
box.
Last box, opening it up.
Another Bone Claw.
Ooh. Another one of those guys.
I figure I'll be throwing more than one of these at them anyhow.
Yeah. They're pretty cool anyways, like those claws, oh my god. Right in beside his friend. Double bone claws, ladies and gentlemen.
Oof, another one of these guys.
Another one.
Brings us to 3. Another cord. Uh-oh. This is whole duplicated box. Oh man, it sure is.
Oh, darn it, ladies and gentlemen, we got another duplicate. It's alright though.
I'm missing Summer.
One more to go, so honestly, we might go back and get some more sometime soon.
I plan on doing a little more of these a little later. We're in the middle of moving. Once we get moved into our new place, we'll have a lot more space for minis and stuff. So, till then, it'll probably be more magic cards than anything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.